foods to stop hair fall. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are very effective in combating hair loss as they offer vital vitamins to your hair, making it thicker, longer, and stronger. Drink 3 to 4 ounces of carrot juice regularly to stimulate your hair growth. Number 2. Spinach. Dark green leafy vegetables like spinach or kale are full of nutrients like iron, vitamin A, or folate, which are essential to keep your hair moisturized. Adding this vegetable to your diet would be enough to transform your hair from brittle to nourished. Number 3. Egg. Eggs are often considered the most efficient source of nutrients, full of protein, iron, omega-6 fatty acids, and zinc. Eggs can help your hair grow and look healthier at the same time. Eggs are also a great source of biotin, which is the number 1 most important nutrient for hair strength and growth. Number 4. Walnut. Walnut contains biotin, B vitamins B1, B6, and B9, vitamin E, plenty of protein, and magnesium, all of which strengthens the hair cuticles and nourish the scalp. It helps protect your cells from DNA damage which may be caused due to sun exposure. Add walnuts to your diet to prevent hair loss. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon, which is acids, delivers the protein to keep your strands strong and the fat to keep your scalp moisturized and nourished. Omega-3 fats lubricate the scalp, reduce inflammation, and lessen dryness that can lead to brittle hair and breakage. Aim to eat salmon a few times a week to enjoy the benefits. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are loaded with protein, iron, zinc, and biotin. Besides this, lentils are full of folic acid, which is necessary for restoring the health of red blood cells that supply the skin and scalp with much needed oxygen. Number 7. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids that are essential for healthy hair growth. They nourish the follicles and hair shafts, making them stronger and less prone to damage. This also ensures that the new growth is strong and healthy. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Along with being an excellent source of hair bolstering protein, Greek yogurt is also full of vitamin D and vitamin B5, both of which nourish your strands. Studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency may actually lead to hair loss, so it's extra important to get enough of this nutrient on a regular basis.